viewers. Today we will study binary number system. Before studying this binary number system, we have to go through the digital number system. So digital number system is a number system that we use in our regular life. So this digital number system consists of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So all these numbers that we use in our regular life. So after the number 9, if you want to write the number greater than the 9, then we have to use the combination of the previous numbers. For example, suppose we want to write the number 10. If you want to write the number 10, then simply we have to use the combination of 1 and 0. If you want to write the number 11, 12, 13, 14, then in that case we write the combination of the previous numbers, that is the number from 0 to 9. We simply use the combination of the previous numbers. Suppose whatever the bigger number we want to use, for example we want to write 106, 107, 108. So in that cases we simply use the combination of 102, 102, 103, 103. So likewise in our regular life we use the decimal number system, and the radix or the base of the decimal number system is 10. Okay, and it consists of the 10 numbers, that is 0 to 9. And so this is the short introduction of our decimal number system. Then we'll go to our main topic, that is the binary number system. So binary number system, as this name indicates, binary, that is BI implies 2. Okay, so binary number system, so here the radix or the base of the binary number system is 2. Okay, and it consists of the numbers, only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So in our regular life we use the decimal number system, and here the radix or the base is 10, and the total numbers are from 0 to 9, and after 9 we use the combination. Okay, but in case of the binary number system, it consists of only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So after the 1 we have to use the combination of the numbers. So we will see how we use the combination of these numbers. So here one thing we have to remind, that this binary number system is a position weighted numbers, that is it is a weighted number system. Weighted number system, or the meaning of this position weighted number system is that the weightage is given to a particular position. So here I had drawn a table, and for referring I am taking here decimal numbers from 0 to 15. So we are familiar with these decimal numbers. So the decimal numbers I am taking here is from 0 to 15, and we will write down the equivalent number of these decimal numbers. So for writing out the equivalent number of the decimal numbers, we have to write the weightage of the position. So the weightage is likewise 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, and it is and its direction is from right to left, just like this. It starts from 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. If you want the more numbers, then we have to write like 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, depending on the number that we want to write. Okay, so we'll see 2 raised to 0, the weightage of 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, and 2 raised to 3 is 8. Okay, so we will now start to write the equivalent number of the decimal numbers. So for writing out the 0, if you want to write out the 0 in the binary number system, simply write down 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now we will go next we will go for the 1. So here at the bottom of the 1. Okay, at this position write down 1 and 0. Okay, so here the position of this row, okay, the weightage of the position of this row is 1. Okay, then the weightage of this complete row is 2. Okay, then next is the weightage of this third row is 4, and the weightage of this fourth row is 8, and we have to use the combinations. So we'll see how to use this combination for writing out 2. Now the weightage of this position, this complete row is 2. Okay, so write down 1 here, because binary number system consists of only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. So by using only 0 and 1, we have to manage all these numbers. So at the position of this 2, the weightage of this row is 2, therefore write down 1 here, and the remaining rows write down 0 on the remaining rows. Now for writing out the 3, here the combination comes. For writing out the 3, write down 1 at this position, that is below 2 and 1. So here 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, and the remaining row will become 0. For writing out the 4, so the position weightage of this third row is 4. So below the 4 write down 1. Okay, and the remaining will become 0. Then writing out the 5. For writing out the 5, write down below the 4 is 1, and 4 plus 1, 5. For writing out 6, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6, and then 0, 0. Then 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. For writing out 8, so this is 8. 1, 0, 0, 0. For writing out 9, 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 0, 0, 1. For writing out 10, 8, 9, 10. So 8, 9, 10. 0, 0. For writing out 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. So in this way write down all the numbers, and after 15, so 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Suppose you want to write the 16. For writing out the 16, 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 into 4, and 4 4 is 16. Okay. So we have to use again another next row, but here for the convenience I will write in this way, that is decimal 16 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So the weightage of this 0 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the equivalent of decimal 16 is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 to the rest 2. Okay. Thank you for watching.